Today we're taking plain keychains and giving them a custom engraved touch. Watch as they go from simple to personalized. This is the designing process. I started by importing the image, then converted it to a bitmap. After that, I did an outline trace and edited the nodes to clean up the design and make it ready for the engraving. Now for the engraving, I set the speed to 750 and the power to 26, and my air assist is off. That's how simple it is. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll check you in the next one.